Hey, what is up, guys? So today I decided to make my first vlog video. I'm going to be talking about type 1 diabetes. I'm a type 1 diabetic myself, and I thought it would be interesting to start a channel that gave you guys like tips, recipes, how to best to manage your sugars, stuff that I wish I would have knew when I was first diagnosed about type 1 diabetes. And I feel that I can give back a lot to the diabetic community. So I want you guys just to listen in. I want you guys to see if you can get some, educational tips, stuff that would just really help you guys out. Because I know if I would have knew this stuff when I was first diagnosed, it would have been a whole different story, guys. So, give a listen, give a look, and I will get started and I'll tell you some of the stuff that my channel's going to be talking about. So I hope you guys enjoy. Hey, so as I said before, there's a lot of stuff I want to cover. There's lots of tips and stuff that I want you guys to know about. I've been doing a lot of research. I'm going to even just start now. So the stuff I want to talk about, I'm going to be talking about a lot of the adversities that I went through as a type 1 diabetic. When I was first diagnosed, there was a lot of stuff that I wish I would have knew, and I felt that if I would have knew it, then it would have helped me overcome a lot of the hardships that I went through. And I went through a lot of hard times at first because I guess there's just so much about the disease that I didn't understand, and I'm sure there's a lot of you guys who are in the same situation I am, especially if you're just newly diagnosed and you want to find out more about the disease and how best to manage it. Guys, that's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you. I want to make your life easier. Like I said before, if I would have knew these things, my life would have been so much easier. So yeah, I want to talk about my adversities. Such as getting super low blood sugars. Got to the point a couple of times where I actually passed out, and I've had been taken to the hospital. So I want to make sure that doesn't happen to you guys, because it is scary and it's dangerous and it could have a lot of negative consequences. I also want to talk about drinking alcohol, guys. A lot of diabetics get diagnosed at a younger age. I was diagnosed when I was 14. So it was really tough for me, especially going right into high school. It was hard not to be able to go drink all the alcohol, especially because I didn't understand my disease a lot. So I'm going to be going in future videos telling you guys how to best manage drinking, if you guys are going to be doing drinking, and some of alcohols that we can drink that actually don't have a really bad effect on our sugars. And it's actually amazing because we're able to drink them and not get a really bad fluctuation up and down. I'm also going to be talking about working out. As you can see, I love to work out. I'm actually going to go work out after this, but I want to talk about foods you can eat before you go work out, so make sure that you guys don't get low blood sugars while you're working out, the best exercises to do, and the recipes for food and stuff. So especially eating in the morning, should we fast, should we not fast, what's good about that. I also want to talk about different insulins. Like I said, when I was first diagnosed, it was very hard because I was on a type of insulin that I guess determined that I would have to eat every 3 hours, and this was really hard because, especially being in high school, and I would have to eat every 3 hours. I'd have to leave in the middle of the class, or I'd be doing a paper, an essay in class, and all of a sudden I'd have to pull a granola bar and start eating, or my sugars would drop. But I wasn't told that there were different insulins on the market that I didn't have to eat all the time, that I was actually able to eat whenever I wanted. Like, that was amazing. I wish I would have knew about that sooner, but no one actually told me about that until I graduated in grade 12, and I had so many lows, and they're like, well, we started to notice a pattern. Maybe we should tell you about these different insulins. And I was like, thanks. Yeah, that could have helped like 3 years ago, but anyways, I'll talk more about these types of insulins in my future video. If you guys are coming here as a parent of a diabetic, or you're the diabetic, or you're just curious and you guys want to know more about the disease, I'm here to help you. I want to make your guys' life easier. because by me helping you, you guys are helping me because I'm doing my research and I'm figuring out the best and the know-how of everything to make your guys' lives easier. So I'm also just want to talk about in general healthy habits and stuff that we should watch out for as diabetics. You know what? A1Cs are really good. We need to manage our sugars and we need to be living normal lives just like everybody else. And it is a lot easier said than done, but I feel like it's a journey that we can do together, and you guys, we can do it. It's easier. It's easier than it sounds, really, because like once you have a handle on it, it just becomes like second nature. Carb counting, everything. And then I also want to talk about some hot topics that are a little bit more awkward, especially as you guys are getting high school. I don't know, this is kind of weird. If you guys are want to talk to your doctor about sex or anything, I'll just be talking about that too, just how to best manage your sugars, anything with that. So I want to be your one-stop channel for everything you guys need. And you know, I want to reach out to you if you guys have questions, comments, anything. You guys ask me a question, I'll do my research and get back to you. And I'll be honest, I'm not going to give you guys a whole bunch of BS, because if I don't know anything, I don't want to risk your guys' life. So I'm going to do the best I can to help you guys. And I hope you guys follow me on my channel, give me a like, a comment, and subscribe. And my job is just to help you guys, and like I said, ensuring you guys are helping me. So let's go on this journey together and see where it takes us. Okay guys? Thanks.